In this video, we show you how to mount the BOS Desertfox Double D black coated on the BMW R1300 GS and GS Adventure. Of course, we start by unpacking the exhaust. This is the BOS Desertfox Double D black coated. In the box, you will find several parts that you need to mount the exhaust. We start by mounting the link pipe. For this, insert the link pipe into the exhaust. Then pull the spring tight between the two mounting points. Make sure not to damage the exhaust. This keeps the link pipe connected to the exhaust. The next step is mounting the bracket to the exhaust. Make sure that the bracket points in the direction of the link pipe. Tighten the 4 bolts in a cross pattern. Remove the protective cover on the motorcycle by loosening 3 screws. This gives you access to the exhaust clamp. Loosen this clamp. Then loosen the mounting between the exhaust and the frame. The exhaust is now loose and can be removed. Transfer the original exhaust clamp to the BOS exhaust. Now it is time to mount your BOS Desertfox Double D. Tighten the bolt while holding the nut at the back in place with a wrench. Tighten the clamp. Reinstall the protective cover in its original position. This is how you mount the BOS Desertfox Double D. Enjoy the ride and the sound.